today I'm going to teach you guys how to crack your back in the thoracic area by using this wall behind me and doing a lunge. So let's get to it. Let me show you how it's done. First of all, you get the lunge position like this. Have your ankle, calves, thigh, and butt cheek against the wall, everything touching, and then have your two hands like this. Now the key part is pushing off. You're going to push off with this hand right here. So this hand pushes off for the back crack. Same for the other side. Everything right here is touching the wall. And this time, you can have this hand push off the wall. And that's how you do it. Please consult your doctor, physician, chiropractor. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.